Hi, this is part 2 of the Lash and Brow directory tutorial on Google Calendars. So this is after you've waited 5 minutes to be able to authorize your Google Calendar. So the next phase is to select Authorize. This is going to forward you back to your Google account. Select the account that you are using. And it's going to ask you if you will allow access to the Google Calendar, which you simply allow. And this is now taking us back, and you can see that this is now authorized. So if I go back into my Google Calendar section, this is now authorized. And that completes setting up your Google Calendar.